This is what my life has looked like for the past couple weeks after I quit my job to become a YouTuber and full-time social media content creator.
Are you recording yourself taking pictures of you?
Yeah.
Content. Welcome to another day in the life. Half a day in the life with Heaven and Kay. We're just out here taking pictures.
I can hear your dad now. Content. This is it. Content. Floor is uneven. Content. Red Solo cup. I will fill you up.
Shout out to my peeps. Proper tone, the proper bag,
The plug.
and the pants.
We posted our content. And then here is what we ended up posting on Instagram. Now we're probably gonna start making dinner. What's for dinner, babe?
No!
As creatives who are always in front of a computer, we decided to go out and grab some sun, food, and drinks this day, and really just needed an excuse to get out of the house, but we also ended up taking pictures. I met up with one of my creative friends, Cheyenne, where we had coffee and breakfast before our semi-planned content day. We ended up shooting at multiple locations in Balboa Park and then decided to next time do something a little bit more in the evening because the sun was doing its job. Oh, it's really sunny. Maybe not yet. And then after, I ended up tagging along with my boyfriend for his upcoming album photo shoot. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. My hair is kind of crazy. I was trying to diffuse it, but I'm gonna be honest, I apparently don't know how to diffuse my hair, so it's just frizzy, and I'm probably gonna put it up once it's fully dry, or at least half up. Today I'm going solo. Kay's at home just doing music and stuff. But I have some things to do. My car is a mess. It's so dirty. It's been dirty for a year now. Yeah, and I'm out of coffee, so I'm gonna go grab coffee first and then go wash my car. I wasn't feeling really good last night. Feeling a little bit better. I think I'm getting a headache because of my caffeine addiction, but other than that, I'm fine. But yeah, let's just get on with the day. I showed up to the car wash and it took me forever to wash my car because the line was so long, but I was determined to get my car washed because it's been forever. Okay, we're back home. I was gonna vlog at Target, but I couldn't even carry everything because I have this rule at Target where if I go to Target, I have to only carry a little basket so I don't buy too much stuff, but I still bought too much stuff. I couldn't carry it all. I bought new hangers. Mine keep breaking, so I never have enough hangers for my clothes. The hanger part, I don't know if you can see it. That part is chrome, black chrome. My hangers are black and gold. And I was like, these are kind of cool. Needed those. Kay has so many hangers, but his hangers are his is the tan silver ones, and then mine are the black and gold ones. I did grab a bag of beans. My favorite beans are from Pete's Coffee. It's the Cafe Domingo. Also, I'm kind of I don't want to switch to a new coffee bean because my espresso machine is already set up, so I'm just lazy. Plus, I like them. I also bought a new wet brush. I used to have a different wet brush, and I really liked it, but it broke. And then Kay bought me just a regular paddle brush. I got this one. It's the Go Green Curl Detangler. I love the wet brush brand. They're my favorite because as a girl who has thick, wavy, curly hair, it's a struggle, trust me. Interesting. It's giving that plant that I really like. I got some Q-tips because we were all out. I also got a styling brush because I really want to work on a couple hairstyles. This is the bristle brushes when I gel my hair back and stuff. I used to have one of these, a double-sided one, but I have no idea where it went, so I bought these two clips. My hair is a little bit shorter now, so I'm okay, maybe I can get away with this. And this one's pretty big. I got this one, and then I got this little set because I really like to put my hair half up, especially when it's super crazy like today. I just don't want to hair tie it all. And then I bought this Curlsmith In Shower Style Fixer. This one has the extreme hold. I feel like this is what I was missing in my hair routine. This is probably going to be the game changer for me. I love the Curlsmith and their products. They're amazing. I don't even have to get started on that because I will go on. And then the reason I went to Target was this. This is the La Roche-Posay Double Repair Matte Moisturizer. And then last but not least, I bought this little bin only because it was on sale. It was $20.99 instead of $30.99, so $10 off. They had the smaller versions next to it for $10 each, but I was I don't need that. I'm just gonna let someone else find that in the clearance section. So yeah, I mostly bought this because I want to put our towels in here. So our towels have just been up here. Kind of sad. I think I'm just gonna put this bad boy right here, if that's not awkward. I don't know, we'll figure it out. Got some Hangi style noodles. Talk about gourmet. It's a little bit later in the day. It's 6:30 6:30ish. My boyfriend just went to go racing with Kenneth, one of our friends actually. But the bed is being washed. It's actually in the dryer. You guys haven't been with me in a while. I kind of cleaned up. There's like stuff all over here. Tomorrow probably. But I like deep cleaned the bathroom and it looks so much better. These just came out of the dryer, so they're clean. Except Kay just like came in here with the shoes and I almost had a panic attack. The mirrors are all wiped in the counters. And oh my god, there's a bug. Hold on. Oh, we still left. Dead. That's a mosquito. Was a mosquito. Anyways, toilet situation is clean. Hate doing that, but you know. And I'm still, I don't know. Kay says he likes this here, but it just feels like out of place. Like I need to go put it over there, but I don't really want it over there because we have like the trash and stuff. So I might just have to settle for it there. It just needs to be like in a corner somewhere. And like I get his idea with like the towels, but I don't know. It's literally like I can't. Right now I'm making dinner. It's like 6:30, which is usually around the time we have dinner. I'm just warming up leftovers. We had Taco Tuesday on Tuesday. Leftover chicken and carne asada, but I'm gonna warm up the carne asada because I'm a carne asada girl. That's cool. I just spilled like half of it. Oh yeah. These are literally my favorite, but I like the flavored ones. So if you've never had these, let me put you on. These are fire. And now, since Kay's not here, I get to watch all of the cute little stuff on Netflix. I'm like a plain taco girly. Sorry guys. I don't like spicy. Okay. I don't like spicy food, so 7:37. I don't know, I just really want to clean today apparently. I really wanted to clean yesterday, but I wasn't feeling well. Yeah, we're making it for today. I'm going through my cabinet in our bathroom. I'm kind of just like cleaning the situation up. Finally emptied out this little storage container that I've had forever. There's little baby me. Here we go. Yep, there's little baby me. I'm also gonna go through and clean out Kay's because I don't even know what the heck is in here. I got my disinfectant wipes. And we're just gonna clean, hang out. I put our like bed sheets in for another 20-30 minutes. What is this, eyelash glue or something? It's been a productive day. Not productive like content wise, but also then again I am filming, so it's kind of like give or take. Okay, that's about as clean as I can get it. It looks so much better already. Okay, I just finished. And I don't mean to toot my own horn, but it looks pretty good. Yes. And then I also redid Kay's section as much as I could. I ended up giving him this little organizer. I put all of his hair stuff in there. The bed is officially made. Not my best work, but you know, I'm like sweating and getting a little tired now. I don't know, I might get ready for bed soon. Probably gonna read, drink my drink, possibly journal, and then head to bed. We'll keep you guys updated.